Even the most reliable fiber connections can fail, and it happens more often than people think. A single outage can stop payments, disconnect POS systems, and halt access to cloud tools. That's why businesses are turning to 5G fixed wireless access as an intelligent, instant failover solution. Fiber and cable lines run underground or on shared infrastructure. That means they're vulnerable to construction cuts, local ISP outages, utility work, congested networks, equipment failures at the carrier level. And because all your traffic depends on one physical path, a single point of failure can shut down your entire operation. Fixed wireless access bypasses the physical limitations of wired circuits. Instead of relying on a single cable, FWA uses licensed 5G or LTE spectrum to deliver fully wireless connectivity to your router. Here's the key part. Your network monitors your primary connection in real time. The moment it detects an outage or severe performance drop, it automatically switches to the FWA connection, often in milliseconds. Traditional failover often uses the same carrier or same physical path, which means both circuits can go down together. FWA provides true path diversity because it uses a completely different network and different infrastructure. That means fiber cut, you stay online. Local ISP outage, you stay online. Congestion on your wired route, your priority business traffic can shift instantly. With enterprise-grade quality of service on the wireless side, your critical applications, like POS transactions, voice over IP, or cloud access, stay stable even during peak network hours. Retail and restaurants. Payments, loyalty systems, and digital menus continue running during fiber outages. Healthcare. Clinics maintain EHR access, telehealth sessions, and secure data exchanges without interruption. Logistics and warehousing. Scanners, WMS platforms, and robotics stay connected, so operations never stall. Corporate branches. Remote teams maintain access to cloud apps, VPNs, and voice over IP, whether fiber is up or down. Any organization that can't afford downtime benefits from wireless redundancy. Fixed wireless access isn't just a backup. It's a smarter, more resilient path to uptime. It gives businesses the flexibility, speed, and reliability to stay online, even when their primary ISP fails. To learn more, check out our 5G fixed wireless solution on our site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.